Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NKLA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First, I'm going to do those little house cleaning and get rid of some of these levels up there. Sure, those levels pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible moving forward. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, that key level of resistance is going to be right up there at $52.50. So again, I'm not saying the price can never bounce or anything like that. My point here is that if it does bounce, a great introductory way to kind of gauge and answer the question, well, yeah, it's bouncing right now, but is there any sort of true power behind the bounces? Well, let's see how it acts around $52.50. If the price goes up there and just blasts up through it, again, is that a guarantee of anything? Of course not, but it becomes a much more valid and rational thought to have of, okay, wow, there is some true power behind this movement. So $52.50, very important from that angle of things. And then if the price can push above that level, next key overall level of resistance would be that purple line up there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at $61.50. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, main level that I talked about previously is doing a good job of holding up a support here, right here at $48.50. But it's also a more than valid thought to have, yeah, $48.50 is holding up strong right now. So far, so good, the power of charts. But I don't know, this thing is looking like it might be getting kind of weakened up. So if the price falls below there, where would the next level be? So for this, let's add in one more area of support here. And if that $48.50 mark does not quite sustain itself any further, next key level of support to keep an eye on would be down there around $44.50. So keep an eye on those levels going forward. We'll see what happens with it. But yeah, right now things are definitely looking relatively shaky. But to be fair, this late day action with the price going sideways here right at that support, maybe we will see some sort of bounce to the upside. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.